stimulus budget. And again, these are not, when you look at the broad sweep of history, these are not abnormal rates. But the worst part is that given our deficits and just given the size of our overall debt and the refinancing needs, even at this level, it represents a significant interest cost moving up substantially from where it is right now.
I think that this is the way we look at it. We are ignoring it for 2023. But in 2024, I think two things happen. One is that there'll be some profits taken. Where people are worried about having to pay taxes in 2023. And then I think we're going to be front and center with the issuance, which is now going to start dictating real rates versus what we have right now, which is just this kind of animal spirited thing.
Right.
So I think that animal spirits say right now, for the next couple of weeks, we look good. I am more and more concerned about January because, man, we got some big capital gains. And we didn't want, people would want to defer them. Plus, you saw that we have 58% of the people are now more invested.
Yeah, I saw that there's a broader investment. You know, it was after the pandemic, the younger people, none of whom sadly watch us, I don't think, Jim, but they're on their phones, but they're more involved. They own individual names.
Good morning, everyone. Hope you guys can hear me well.
People stop me in the street now. Older people just presume that the index fund. But younger people, they tend not to be involved with. Well, no, they're involved with the index.
Some of these companies that work by higher interest rates perhaps are feeling.
All right. Hopefully everyone had a wonderful weekend. Let's go over this morning, see what we got. Don't mind me while I stuff my face. What's up, Queen? Good morning. All right, so Friday we had a nice little drop. What was that? Thursday. And then we bounced. Now today I'm looking for us to possibly come and retest the 6 p.m. Asian opening low, right here. So on NASDAQ, I'm looking for NASDAQ to get under 16,800 for a possible confirmation short. Now, if we spike up to 16,882 area, I'm willing to take a small micro short just to see if it's going to really reject, because I mean we've had 1, 2, and we could possibly have a third run up to this level and then rejection, and then I would look to short if a 15-minute candle closes below this level. Now the other thing that I'm looking for is I want to see a candle also close below 16,840. I mean, we all know that NASDAQ is in the 16,000. So below 840 on NASDAQ, I would love to possibly catch a quick little scalp short down to 16,797 area. Going over to ES. ES is around the same thing as NAS. Higher time frame, just pretty much going sideways. And we did have a really nice short early morning, but I wasn't up for it. A nice little drop, created a higher low, and then we started pushing. And it's given some quick little 5-6 point scalps from this 4781 area. Now, I'm also looking at Tesla, Nvidia, AMD, Apple, Meta. And right now, I mean, Nvidia's up pre-market, so let me just go through these so you guys can see as well. All right, so Tesla sideways action, pretty looks top heavy to me, so I would be looking for a possible drop, especially there was some news but I think that might have been like early mid last week about Tesla and some recalls about self-driving system. Nvidia, same thing, looking pretty top heavy to me as well. If we can't break above 493, we should be looking for some kind of a retracement. The market has been up for several weeks positively, so there should be some kind of profit taking as we go towards the end of the year. We look at Apple. Apple is definitely off of its highs and still continuing to look to possibly head down to 194 area. So keep an eye out on that. Meta sideways. We couldn't get above this previous high, which I want to say was Wednesdays, right? And since then, it's just been boop boop, wicked into it and just kept dropping. So I don't see I don't see Meta possibly going no higher than maybe 337. So given that I'm expecting some sort of pullback in the tech companies, Nasdaq would definitely be a short watch for me. But now, if volume does come in for whatever reason and it starts pushing higher, I'm just gonna scalp it in the direction. But AMD as well, looking like to do a pretty decent retracement as well. Netflix looks a little strong but overbought on the 1 hour time frame. Amazon, same thing. So everything's looking pretty overbought. I'm tempted to possibly, even with ES as well, take a small micro short with the anticipation of some sort of retracement, and then once I get confirmation, I'll be going in 2, 3, 4 minis in the direction which I'm expecting is down today. And also, let's take a look at oil. I mean, I don't know if you guys trade oil, but oil was just a beautiful pullback down into this area right here. Bounced off of the EMA once we held, the 6 a.m. candle. Massive reversal, and this thing is just up, up, and away. Good morning, Ronnie. Good morning. Meta picking up some pace. Good morning, Ryan. Y'all take any trades this morning yet?
We get your man Dasher, Jim, because usually during the break we talk briefly, very briefly about it. I don't even know what it is. It's
All right, Meta catching the bid. Meta's at 337 pre-market. Just entered by on GJ, huh?
Seeing Micron, big pieces about AMD doing very well.
What's going on? By the way, the stock has surged as you see it right by the end of the year. Excellent performance. I think that despite the ups and downs.
Oh my! So I think that one of the things that's happening is that the PC cycle, which has been the inventories down. But then the other thing, saying that AI is going to look to the PC. I believe that you'll be able to speak to your PC and say, could you please change driver payments? That's
Okay, Oil.
Microsoft is a big winner of that too. So there's also a sense, by the way, that handsets are going to do better, which is odd. China is looking at agencies saying these don't bring it Apple to work. So I look at it and I just say maybe people are getting ahead of themselves.
Okay, all right, let's go. We lit. Yeah, still technically a little under the weather. Just the voice part, but feeling much better today. Here we go. All right, all right, all right. Come on. So with the pullback, Nvidia, little pullback with the highs of 494. Meta as well. Okay, okay. Oh, we're looking good.
Order filled.
Taking a short on NQ at 16,836. I'm filled. Come on. Don't play with me. Come on.
Order filled.
Adding one more mini. I'm sorry, micro. Oh, don't really? Wow, you dirty. Wow, look at that B. Yo. Wow. And look at Oil ripping. Bruh. Wow, okay. And that's that was not really doing much, but how is this? Bro. Okay. Hopefully Nvidia doesn't, Nas doesn't get above last week's high. Let's see. Damn, fishes. Okay, good. Good retracement, good retracement. What's up with oil? Okay, there we go. AMD with a dump. AMD with a savage pullback. Come on. Apple's pulling back as well. CLG. Okay. CLG. That's why. CLG. Jesus. Bruh. Come on. This is the BS. This is the little game they're gonna play. Waiting. Cues. Come on. Good morning, Jaffe. Good morning. Not looking good. Waiting. Damn. I might have to take this L on the macros and then possibly look to flip to a long on the minis, because this is looking real strong right now. I was looking for shorts. But look at Tesla just reversed and it's just gone green. Fudge. Mm, damn. Mm, Meta's gone higher. The only thing dumping is AMD. Mm, mm.
From CEO, likely prolonged regulatory review period of up to 24 months with an uncertain outcome. The pure inadequacy of the offer from a valuation standpoint, including
Just waiting, trying to be patient with this. So my entry on the NQ with the micros is 16A36. I'm only gonna risk about 40 points, so that means my stop loss is gonna be 16A76. It's not bad. It's only 2 micros. But once I get confirmation, I'm ready to hit this with the minis. And this is something that I talk about that I like to do when I'm not entirely 100% sure that it's ready to do the move that I want. I'll go in with a micro or two, test out the waters. If I take a 40 point or 50 point loss on the NQs, it's a very small loss. I mean, we're looking at maybe what, $100 or $200 loss versus it being $1,000 or $2,000 loss. Jeez Louise, bro. Yeah, this thing is definitely. And what's crazy, like this massive divergence, because if you look at the Dow is actually looking weak, like it's about to break down, and yet ES is pushing, and Nasdaq is also pushing, and my stop is about to get hit.
On the research front, I'm just taking a look here. Firm shares are down 5% this morning. They got a Morgan Stanley piece that says taking a firm stand.
Damn. Apple's still going lower.
We talked a lot about the resurgence of this stock. It being reflected to a certain extent of also retail investors getting more institutions that built this company.
How much higher are they gonna run this? I'm about to. So I got stopped out of my micros.
Order filled.
Let's see if we can catch a nice little scalp.
Order filled.
Alright, took a quick scalp long on NQ just to recoup the loss that I just took on the micros. Let's see. I think we're getting closer and closer to the top. So beautiful rejection so far on the 15-minute. As long as we close below this level of 16,882, I will be looking for another short. But now for me to take a short with the minis, I'm gonna want to see a red candle close below 16,840. If not, I'll scale back in with a micro and play the same game again. Risk about 40 points, and every time I trade the Qs, I'm usually risking about 40 points to make 120 points. So it's more than a 3-to-1 ratio. And because I'm trading the micros, I can literally take several trades and have it be a loss. And then once I get confirmation, I'm gonna go in 2 to 3 minis, and literally within probably like a 30 point or 50 point movement, I'll make my my loss plus a good amount of profits. And that's just me playing the numbers game when it comes to this. My gosh, meta. No, I was completely wrong on that one. Meta's over Friday's highs of 338 and change.
Yeah, sweet. You know, we've always grown within, unless there's special positions like attorneys or even some of our tech people come from the outside. But we've always promoted creating good jobs and creating careers, and that's one of the success. We don't have a lot of training. Can we get better in the training that we do? Yes, we can. We can always improve, but as I said, this is always more.
Have y'all taken any trades yet? What y'all looking at?
He's been in every position. He's ran real estate. He's ran buying. He's ran operations. He's been president the last 2 years. He will take the company further in the future. Well, Frank, one of the things that I always enjoyed your conference calls, they're run by, I'm going to call it brilliant, but also.
This market been, yes, it has. I mean, a lot of back and forth, a lot of manipulation. Yeah, it's been tough. I mean, and it's towards the end of the year. Oh, hold on, I know I look a little blurry. Very small long one. Nice. Yeah, the market gets a little tough as we get closer to the end of the year. A lot of back and forth, some low volume, just some massive movements up and down, like almost like it's a penny stock. Okay, Apple pulling back even more. Holla, 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 holla. Okay, what y'all wanna do? Can we get this drop, baby? Okay. If this 5 minute ends weak, I will exit. Okay. We still got time. It's crazy. It's like it really hasn't even been 15 minutes yet.
Yeah, I wouldn't go too far in artificial intelligence with us. We have see, we sold a lot of gold. We've got a great buying group. We always want to make ourselves separate ourselves and be a little bit different from everybody else. That's why you pay a membership. And we always turn merchandise. We're always doing something exciting that we can create a value for.
There we go.
Gas solve all sorts of great, crazy things, and it seems to work for us. A $15 special dividend seems to be a good way, Craig, to be able to cap your career as CEO. How do you make those decisions? Because shareholders absolutely love it.
Well, we started on this is I think our fifth special dividend over the last 11 years, and we do well for the company. We're going to continue to reward our shareholders, reward our employees, and as you can tell, the stock has also appreciated relatively well over the last actually 4 years since we went public. I think in I want to say 1985, 1986. So we've grown compounded about 17, 18% a year. So
Right, candle closed above.
we generate a lot of cash. We don't do a lot of cash and then open up more Costco's and give it back to our shareholders. So that's the way we run the business, and to the extent that we can reward our shareholders, we'll continue to do so.
Well, I think you mentioned basically opening, because the opening, say, of China, you have 5 stores in China. When you opened Shanghai the first time, your shelves were empty at 11, so you had to close it and rethink the whole game plan. But I need to ask you, you have the lowest cost prices. Isn't that the
Okay, so Apple's still dropping. So far this was a nice rejection on NQ below 82. Probably should have waited till this around here, or at least closer to the previous highs to maybe scaling short, but it's all good. Still waiting patiently for a possible re-entry.
to me, since as a shareholder, my chart just has a big
Post the chart, Queen. Where's the chart? I am holding shorts. All right, you go, girl. Show the chart. Yeah. Oil, man. Oil. What are you doing, baby?
Say quite those type of volumes, but our Vermont pie does very well in Mexico.
We're looking good. We're looking good. Is it worth getting in now? Possibly. You know what? I think so.
Order filled.
Short NQ micro. Okay, I'm not in the minis yet.
So being a global company, a true global company, we take a lot of ideas and move them back and forth from country to country.
Craig, it's David. Just curious about you. It's you're going to count the days now till you step down as CEO. You're staying in an advisory capacity until April, but what are you going to do? And when you look back on all of your years, obviously at Costco and running it and just being a part of it, what do you think about it?
Come on. Come on, baby. Come on. Keep it going. Let's go. Let's go.
Order filled.
Let's go.
Order filled.
Let's go. Here we go. Yeah, beautiful, beautiful. Now let's see if we can get under this 40 area, and it's Rap City. It's like, come on, Habibi. A nice slide down to the 800s. Even would be superb. Come on, Habibi. Come on, come on. Don't play with me. Do not mess with me. Oh, Vay. There we go.
10-year yield. It's is below 4%, 3.961. Two summer tens.
Oh yeah. ES is looking good as well for a short. Rejection. Yes, yes, yes. So we got tweezer tops right here on this 15-minute candle. Now, if you want to wait for confirmation, we want to see a 15-minute candle close below 47.81. That will be a nice confirmation that this thing is ready to pull back. So let's see. My goodness, Meta. Right. Here we go, here we go. Mm. Come on. Oh, there we go. Come on. We just need this break below 840. Come on. You see how quick this is moving? It's moving like a penny stock. Pop 5 points, drop 6 points, like
A cyber intrusion, a cyber attack. This time it's VF Corp. The threat actor disrupted the company's business operations by encrypting some IT systems, stole data, including personal data. VF is experiencing certain operational disruptions.
Oh man, Bracket Daryl just came in there. He's doing such a great job trying to turn things. This is the last thing.
There's this Clorox, right? That this hurt badly.
Yeah,
Not that long ago.
I've got Palo Alto on tonight to be able to deal with the fact that everybody has to rely on 4 days. But this is just horrible for this company.
Yeah.
Because I think the turn was at hand very quickly. Because Bracket's fantastic with this.
Incident has had and is reasonably likely to continue to have a material impact on the company's business operations until recovery efforts.
Yes, then Christmas is just
Cyber. All right, we got Stop Trading with Jim coming up. Don't go anywhere.
Mm. The games they're playing. Get meta. Meta is gone. Gone, gone, gone. Damn, this thing was a nice buy this morning. About to hit a second target to the upside. So Meta still has room to push to 343.50 area. Give me just a second, guys.
Stop.
It's an upgrade to outperform Salesforce, but Mark Benioff must be just halfway because this piece is about how Salesforce is a value growth story. I'm still doing yeah, it's kind of all but it's still accelerating. I just think it's a misnomer. But it is, let's say, for salaries, it's very cheap. Say, David, if this thing is a value stock, then it is a lot more.
All right, back up. Here we go. Highs again. And Q said, I ain't come to play with y'all. It's like, why is this so small? Oh, nice rejection at 82. Okay. Um, Jeez, oh my goodness, oil, what the hell? What a major drop on oil. Meaning drop the ball on it. Like this thing is just pushing and pushing and pushing. Like, bruh, come pull back a bit. There goes NQ. Yeah, we got new highs coming in on NQ today. It's about to take it out. Yeesh, what a storm going on today. Massive rain and wind. Jeez. New highs on NQ. Again, still massive divergence where the Dow ain't really doing much. But I guess that could be because Apple's dropping. But, bro. Bro. Jeez. Well, glad it was the micros and not the minis. Oh, so like a tree's gonna come down or some shit. Had me thinking somebody was throwing rocks in my window or something. And branches. Yeah, literally just buy the dip. Just buy the dip. Freaking A. Bruh. Joe. Where is this thing going?
Typically, it is how long?
Yeah, massive divergence. That was dropping, but ES and NQ still pushing. I mean, look at this on NQ. Jeez.
this is what we should be checking every day anyway. And here's what you've got. You've got the deceleration, especially at headline. That's the blue line, and oil prices are a big part of the story. Or if you take out wind energy. And what you can see is that it's at 4%, which is still elevated above the 2% where the Fed wants it. So the risk has not gone away. And I think the Fed has plenty of cover to say, we may be taking it slower and more cautious about the risks, but the market may be too ahead of itself on costs. So Red Investor, the Plato that was a voter this year, said as much at the FT this weekend. Markets are a little bit ahead, she said. They jumped to the end part, which is we're going to normalize quickly. I don't see that. The market so far has ignored it though, because the 10-year yield is near the low point where it was yesterday. last week.
Working that, bro.
It's just hanging right in there.
Slow your roll, homie.
It's not telling them.
Actually, stop cutting. It's not making adjustments. It's bringing it down to neutral, right, where it doesn't disrupt growth. Market thinks
Let's see.
the question is, does that
Come on, come on. I know it's not gonna have no massive pullback yet, but bro.
to stop shipments through the Suez Canal because of these
Give me a second, y'all. Be right back. And we're back. Sheesh. Alright, so I'm going to see if I can get a nice little decent pullback. Damn, bro. Possibly take a long. Because this shit is just non-stop running. I'm gonna go higher. Everything is up today. Everything. Bro, come on.
Back to the unions, because there was a question have two unionized plants that one does the very small presses and the US. And on an antitrust front, really, there doesn't seem to be much impact because domestically they have virtually no significant share. Of course, which did represent a significant potential antitrust challenge, but there may be a challenge when it comes to the unions. We just got this, Sarah, press release. Excerpt it wouldn't work at USW, that is the steel workers, does not believe that one understands the full breadth of the obligations of all of our agreements, and we do not know whether it has the capacity to live up to our existing contract. Press release that went out a short time ago, which the headline is they slammed Nippon plan to acquire US Steel. All of this could just be an opportunity negotiation, for example, but it did take the stock price down ever so slightly.
Also, the has just issued a statement.
30
They were losing it. They identified US Steel as
to 7:20 a.m. Let's see. When did oil take off? We had a nice retracement, 5 in the morning, run up, pull back, 7 a.m. pullback. Wow. Tesla with the top. Oh. Alright, so let's see if ES is gonna hold below here. I don't think so the way it's looking. Okay, alright. Okay. Okay. Well, this on NQ could be just a little pullback. So let's see. Oh, damn.
Slightly too cold, earnings, and frankly, prior to the last couple of weeks, there's always been this knowledge that earnings estimates were likely going to come down and too high for 2024, and that makes sense. But there is now a belief that that may not be the case. We think things are very, very priced here, and the disappointment is that something doesn't go less than perfectly. And the typical sell-off is 13%.
I love the statement, which is why I quoted it this morning. But also, I love the research that you went back and looked at between
Order filled.
to show which sectors.
Let's see how low are we gonna pull back to.
Yeah, that is the differently because well, we all know this cycle has been incredibly different in the first place. But you would maybe have been skeptical of communication services being defense now. And in fact, there are several elements to a sector like that that has the
Alright.
sensitive sort of telecom aspect to it. Also, think about this year. That's an area of the market that even if we go into a recession, and Evercore is calling for a mild recession, is that you're still going to get
Let's see. Come on.
and because of the Olympics, so very positive there.
Just say you forget your defensive needs. I just want to open it.
Beautiful rejection on ES at 47.90.
Going back prior to the financial crisis, you cannot fault that logic. The only year where you could fault that logic was 2022. And part of what our concern about the consensus being so dug in right now is that at the end of 2021, it was that mindset, growth stocks forever. Obviously, that didn't work. From our point of view, what you're likely to see, given the fact that you've had such a concentration of returns to those names this year, is a pause. Generative AI is actually a time where the companies that are actually deploying generative AI are going to benefit as opposed to the companies that are in it.
So your advice would not be to buy an index fund for next year if you don't think the S&P is going to go anywhere.
No, it would not. And we've had this conversation a number of times in the past, is that the one thing you don't want to do, and if you think about the last 2 years, people have done this very, very frequently, is give in to your emotions. The emotions are very strong right now, very bullish. This is the time to sit back, and we're right about expecting somewhere between a 10 to 15% pullback. You have to see yourself as a buyer there. And the answer is, if you can't see yourself as a buyer, that kind of pullback, you either lighten up a little bit of cash, but then ultimately skew towards defensive, because that's going to outperform in both sides of what we expect in the cycle.
Will bonds protect you?
To a certain extent, the difference being that if you get an economic slowdown, you're not likely to get the yields fall as much, because we have come to where it is secularly different environment, where the Fed is still doing quantitative tightening and international appetite for U.S.
5 to 10 years now, close to 4. Am I really a year from now going to feel bad about that?
No, you're going to click the coupon and you're going to be just fine.
It's not going to change either, really.
Probably not.
Maybe better.
Probably not. Yeah.
Julian, thank you. Good to kick off the hour with you, Julian Manuel. As we enter the for the rest of the hour, financials just a breath away from hitting new 52-week highs.
Some of the biggest players in the crypto space are joining forces. Coinbase and venture capital giant Andreessen Horowitz, just some of those names. We're going to tell you what they're planning to do.
In China, sounding an optimistic tone about the economy next year. It's also accelerating its iPhone ban. We're going to go live to Beijing for details. Big shift still ahead. Squawk on the street.
Okay, so we are setting up. Let's see if we form a lower high.
Technology in the red right now.
If y'all have any questions, man, feel free to ask. This is just ridiculous price action right now. What strength. Matt is getting closer to that 340, 350 area. Gone, baby, gone, like the wind. Yep. And keeps ripping. Jeez. Every day seems that strength is way stronger than the weekdays. Absolutely. Like, it's literally buy every freaking dip, man. It's ridiculous. Oil finally pulling back.
Welcome back to Squawk on the Street. Check out that recent rally in financials. You can see if they're at the end. Just a bit away from that 52-week high. Joining us now with our 2024 outlook for the established here towards the end of the year as they move into and deeper into 2024.
I think it continues to rally into the end of the year, but I think it's going to be a pretty dry January with the stocks, to be honest. So the market got really excited that we hit the basis points of rate cuts. But what the market seems to be forgetting is that number one, these banks are actually largely asset sensitive, which means that it's positive for earnings when rates go up, and so therefore when rates go down, the opposite is true. And so in January, as market outlooks from the bank management teams themselves that include the forward curve, I think you could see consensus estimates move down and throw a little bit of cold water into this rally.
And so given that, and we should point out all the banks, all the big banks other than JP Morgan are down ever so slightly so far in trading this morning. Given that, what are your sort of names that you think are going to be able to perform well despite it?
Yeah, so despite it is exactly the phrase that we need to think about. And that's where Wells comes into mind, right? Wells Fargo has things going on for it other than just dependency on macro. You know, the story, the earnings story there is not dependent on, how many cuts the Fed has in store or what kind of loan growth that we have. I think that a lot of what they're doing is continuing to remediate the regulatory issues as well as investing back into their business. So their revenue growth is a little bit better than peers, and their fee generation is somewhat in line with peers. So we really like Wells Fargo because it does have a self-help component story, and we like the franchise underneath the surface.
Are they ever going to get the green light from the Fed to remove that threshold?
Sarah, I know as much as you. So, it's been a guessing game. I think the last time, when they got the asset cap, people don't make from the Super Bowl, right? And so it'll be very interesting if we get something, out of it's an election year. I'm not sure if 2024 is the year, but what I like is that we're seeing
Okay, another wick rejection here on NQ. Don't trust this. Don't trust this, not one single bit. Oh, wait. Yes, maybe. Is we ready?
So I think there are a few headwinds for the regional banks still, so they're much more dependent on interest income than the rest of the money centers. So not only do you have to think about the impact of rate cuts, but you have to think about loan growth as well. And we think loan growth is going to be weak. And even if we get a much better economy, a soft landing, a Goldilocks next year,